Hello, in today's video we're going to be multiplying two-digit numbers. If you want more videos, please subscribe. So we're going to start off with this problem right here, 25 times 48. So we're going to do this in two ways, and we're going to start off with this first one, where we're going to do 25 times 40 and 25 times 8. So what I did here is I just split up this 48 into 40 and 8 because 40 plus 8 is equal to 48. This is the same thing as if we were doing a problem like 5 times 3. Then we could split this 3 into 2 and 1. So we could do 5 times 2 and 5 times 1. Now 5 times 2 is 10 and 5 times 1 is 5. Now if you add these together, it's equal to 15, which is the same thing if we did this in our head. 5 times 3 is equal to 15. So that's the basic principle of what we're trying to do right here. So first, what we're going to do is 25 times 40. Now we know in problems like 10 times 5, which is 50, we just multiply the 5 times 1, put that in the front, and then we put the 0 all the way in the back. So that's what we're going to do here. So first we're going to do 25 times 4. 5 times 4 is 20. We carried the 2. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 2 is equal to 10. So then we get 100. But remember, we still got the 0 back here. We need to put it all the way in the back because all we did here was 25 times 4. So we're going to put the 0 in the back to make this number 1,000. So 25 times 40 is 1,000. Now, we're going to do 25 times 8. So on the right side here, I'll put 25 times 8. So we know 5 times 8 is 40. So we put down the 0. We carry the 4. 8 times 2 is 16. Now we have to add this to the 4, and that's 20. 16 plus 4 is 20. We still have the 0 back here, so this is 200. So our answer is, if we add these together just like we did in the 5 times 3 example, we get, so 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 2 is 2, and we just bring the 1 down. So you get 1,200. Now, what we're going to do here is we're going to apply the same principles that we did on this problem, but we're going to put it in a concise fashion. So what we're going to do is 25 times 8 first. So 5 times 8 is 40. Now we carry the 4. 8 times 2 is 16, plus 4 is 20. So that's 200. Now we're done with factoring out this 8 to the 25, or multiplying with the 25. So I'm going to get rid of that 4. Now all we have to fixate on is 25 times 40. You see, the 40 is there, just like it is here, but we're just imagining the 40. But if you just want to cross out this 8 and think of it as 25 times 4, you can do that. But all you have to do is you have to place the 0 that we did here right below this. Now we can just focus on 25 times 4. Now 4 times 5 is 20. So we put a 0 and we carry the 2. Now 4 times 2 is 8, plus 2 is 10. So when you add this all together, the answer is 1,200, just like we got here. So hopefully now you have learned how to multiply two-digit numbers. Please like, comment, and subscribe.